Welcome back to another quick guide today. We'll walk through how to make a thumbnail for YouTube videos without showing your face. Here are the steps to make a YouTube thumbnail without showing your face using Canva on Windows. First is to open Canva in your browser and log in or sign up for free. In the search bar, type YouTube thumbnail and press enter to open the correct canvas size. Choose a template that matches your video's theme, for example, gaming, tutorial, or tech, or start with a blank canvas. Click Uploads, Upload Files, click on the file, then hit Open to import screenshots, gameplay images, or relevant visuals from your PC. Drag your main image, like a game scene, object, or background onto the canvas and resize it. Use elements, shapes, or gradients to create background layers that add contrast and depth. Add text by selecting text, add a heading, then write a short and bold title. For example, Top 10 Tricks or Secret Tips. Choose bold, easy to read fonts like Anton or League Spartan and adjust colors for strong visibility. Add icons, emojis, or silhouettes from the Elements tab to make the thumbnail dynamic without showing your face. Use arrows, borders, or glow effects to highlight key visuals or text areas. When satisfied, click Share, then Download. Choose PNG, then click Download to save and upload it to YouTube. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.